Hi. In this video, we will see what are the logical functions and how to use these functions in Tableau. So, as we have studied some kind of conditional functions in programming language like if condition, else condition, and also uh, and or these types of condition we have learned. So, Tableau has the same types of logical functions. So, in order to know about these functions, I'll just create one calculation field, and after that we can see here one drop down. Click on this drop down and then click on this logical. So then we can see here there's some of functions that uh, comes under the logical category. So there are and functions, case, else if, and if, and so on. And we have max function, main function, not. So we can all use all of these logical functions in Tableau. So if I click on this AND function, so we can see on the right side there it says the AND function perform a logical conjunction on two different expression, and there's a case function, else function. So I'll take one example. So first I'll create a simple graph. So I'll take the subcategory and then I'll take the profit and drop it onto the column. So we can see here these are the positive profit, these are the negative profit, which means these are a loss or these are the profit actually. So for that, for example, I want to show these profit in different color and loss in different color. So also there are several ways to do that, but I'm gonna do with the help of logical function. So here I'll use the logical, and then I'll click on the logic. So there are a bunch of functions that we can use. So what I'll just do, I'll use the if function, if logic function. I'll use the if sum of it is greater than zero, then I'll let's just say I'll use the let's say blue, else if the sum of profit is not greater than zero, which means it is in negative. So I'll take it as a red, then I'll end the function. So after using this particular condition, you can see here it says the calculation is valid. What I'll just do, I'll click on the apply and OK. So I'll take this logical and I'll drop it onto the color. So now we can see the positive profit is shows in blue color and the negative profit shows in red color or in orange color. So this is how we can use the logic functions in Tableau. And if you want to uh, if I click on this entire view option, then we can see everything is clearly these are the profit in positive and these are the negative profit. So this is how we can use the logic function in Tableau. And thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more.